Hi, my name is Joanna, and today I'll inform you what you require to understand medicinal garden kits before buying the product. I also have two important notifications, so pay close attention to what I need to tell you and enjoy until the end of this video. The first thing you need to know about the medicinal garden kit is to take care of the website you're going to buy it from, because this product is just sold on the main site. Unfortunately, people are offering it on an informal website, and by buying these items, the person is not getting the initial medicinal garden kit. So it can harm their health and has no outcomes, of course, so beware of that. Okay, to help you, I left the link to the main website down below in the description of this video, where you can purchase medicinal garden kits securely. So check it out when you enjoy it, okay? So what is a medicinal garden kit, and does it work? And the answer is yes. The purpose of a medicinal garden kit is to give individuals the tools they need to start a medicinal garden in their backyards. The developer of the kit, Nicole Apollyon, guarantees that doing that will make it possible for everybody to take control of their health, just as she did to manage her numerous sclerosis. This product, in my viewpoint, is the very best out there, due to its efficiency. Growing plants is something, but Nicole Apollyon thinks that ensuring they are utilized correctly and safely must be the primary priority. The medicinal garden kit and the accompanying free handbook help customers enhance their health without requiring them to equip their medicine cabinets with numerous medications and supplements. Users are taught how to cultivate their garden, complete with a natural selection of medicinal plants that will continue to benefit them if they continue to tend to it. Likewise, it can help enhance sleeping quality and ease discomfort. So, yes, you can trust this product. Many individuals have great results with a medicinal garden kit, and you can also have outcomes. Nevertheless, it would be best if you remembered that each backyard would react distinctly. That's apparent. However, I'm informing you of this so that you are sensible about your process and expectations. It's crucial to keep in mind that the products from the medicinal garden kit have no adverse effects. Because it's natural, there's something else truly essential about this product that you need to understand before purchasing. It is that you can evaluate a medicinal garden kit for 365 days 1 year, and if you don't see outcomes or if you don't like it for any factor, they will offer you your refund. Likewise for medicinal garden kit work, it would help if you took it seriously. Check out the handbook and follow the guidelines effectively. However, it is crucial to utilize the seeds and herbs correctly for the effects of a medicinal garden kit. Using the medical plants for at least 3 to 6 months is recommended to offer your yard enough time to soak up all active ingredients behind this brand new powerful formula. You can see the preliminary lead to the first month, but many have better results after 3 months. Utilizing this product, I initially wanted to tape record this video to tell you to be careful with the website. You will buy a medicinal garden kit from, and also, if you buy the product, do the procedure that the handbook guides. I hope this video assisted you guys, and if you have any questions, you can leave them in a comment. And I'll be glad to assist you if you wish to buy the medicinal garden kit with a unique discount rate. I'm leaving the official site link below. Like I said before, all the best with the treatment, men.